Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this Python SQL series. So let's begin with our practical number 6. In this we have to write a program to find sale price of an item with a given cost and discount percent. So let's move to Google Colab. So I will search Google Colab here in Google Chrome. Open this link, open Colab. Once it gets opened, I will open to new notebook. So I will rename it as practical number 6. Here I will type practical number 6 and I will type write a Python program to find sale price of an item with given cost and discount percent. To start with, first I will define a function to calculate the sale price. So I will first define the function. So I will use the def command. Def calculate sale price. So here I will type the cost in the arguments, cost and discount percentage. So put a colon in the end. So discount amount will be discount percentage upon 100 into the cost price. Now the sale price will be cost minus discount amount. So here I will return sale price. Now we have to input the cost and discount percentage. So I will write cost equal to float input and enter the cost enter the cost of the item and it has to be in rupees, so I will just write rupees. So and if discount percentage equal to float, so we are putting input, then enter the discount. So once done, we will calculate the sale price. Sale price will be, so this we have defined the function calculate sale price. So our sale price will calculate sale price. So I will copy this. Provide any error in spelling. So this is our calculate sale price, and I can simply write these are the function arguments. So I will write cost. These are our variables, cost and discount percentage. This, and I will copy this discount percentage. Control C, and I will just paste it here. Sorry. So I will just select this discount percentage, and I will just paste it here. So after this, now we have to display the sale price. You can write print sale price after a discount percent. So here we have to end the string. So I will just write here, then discount percentage. Discount then comma, then I will just write sale price. So let's check out whether our program is right. So I'm just executing it. So it is asking to enter the cost of the item. Suppose the item is costing 1,000 rupees. Now it is asking for the enter the discount percent. If I are 20%, so sale after a 20% discount, we have 800 rupees. Okay, so we can this way we can find the sale price after a discount. So if you want to enter any other numbers, I can just execute the program. Suppose this time I will take 5,000. Enter the discount percent. Suppose 30% discount is there, so I will get sale price after discount percentage of 30% discount is 3500. So if you want to print this, you can just go to file, then here you can just go to print, or you can simply press Ctrl plus P. Once you click on this, you will get a preview, and you can simply save. And here you can save anywhere you want, and click on this save. So I'm not saving it. So okay, so this way you can print the practical. So okay, let's meet in the next practical.